outside my fans and not fans. I'm Gregory the Magician. I have some magic for you. 3 coins, 4 coins pala, I'm sorry. And 4 ace cards. I put the 25 cents in a box. Now, I put 1 card here, 1 card here, 1 card here, and 1 card in every each coin. Now, see. Now, you see the 1 coin. Now, you see. Oh, it's 2. It's now 2 because of the magic. Because the magic is true. You can see the 2 coins and see, man, see. Oh, it's now 3. And one coin here and see. The magic is there. See? And the Gregory the Magician.
Yan.
No. Tama. Hindi.